The immediate past governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, has called for a united opposition among political leaders in the country. To achieve this, El-Rufai invited the 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party and Labour Party, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, respectively, to the Social Democratic Party. He also called on former governor of Osun State, Aregbesola, and ex-minister of Transportation, Amaechi, to join the party to form a formidable opposition. El-Rufai's call came amid political realignment and formation of a coalition movement ahead of the 2027 general elections. The former Kaduna State governor joined the SDP last Monday, citing a growing misalignment between his personal values and the current direction of the APC as the primary reason for his decision. Speaking in an interview with BBC Hausa service, which started trending on Saturday, El-Rufai urged Atiku, Obi, Amaechi and Aregbesola to join the SDP. However, El-Rufai expressed his disappointment with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration and reaffirmed his call for unity among opposition figures, saying, "What I want and pray for is for all opposition leaders, Atiku, Obi, Amaechi and Aregbesola, to join the SDP." While this has generated mixed reactions, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.